of rain 70%. Tuesday, cloudy with a chance of rain in the morning, then partly sunny.
It's coming. It's 10:15.
Warmer with highs around...
It's past 10:15.
Oh, look at that. One oh seven three.
Emergency alert system in order to conduct the required monthly test this morning. Then to the first required monthly test under the New Hampshire emergency alert system. It's a raining ground.
1061.
I'm running. Alert system.
1049. Nope.
Alert system.
101. No, copyright. Rock 101 likes to go off late. I missed a couple. I just said I don't want copyright.
Important documents. Steve can always have them stored safely online, no matter when.
Didn't get as many stations as I wanted to. Shut up.
Too old and too confused was one of the
Get the latest iPhone every year and unlimited wireless for just